I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problem Solving.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking chapter 4th of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. You can contact me for your assignment help, exam help, quiz help, or you want to refer complete course. I can handle all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab math, my lab PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Access, and many more courses. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, economics, setting. Now, title focusing on title of assignment XP22, Excel chapter 4, cumulative insurance claim. You can contact easily on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I have done this assignment and this course for my many students, and they all got A+ grade in their assignments and complete course. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now moving on. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel chapter 4 cumulative insurance. Excel as creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file from your Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. You can download this easily from your portal. Okay. Now I am gonna showing my file where I download my portal. You can see this file. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. You can download easily from your portal. You can see this file. Now moving on next question. Question number 2. In question number 2, freeze the panes. So the first row containing columns headings, row 6 and first two columns, column A, B on the insurance claim worksheet will remain static when scrolling. Okay. Basically this question we will freeze the panes. So that's the first row containing columns heading, row 6 and first two columns, column A, B on the insurance claim. Okay, we will moving on Excel workbook and then click on view tab and then we will freeze the pane. Okay, freeze the panes. So the first containing column heading and first two columns. Now moving on Excel workbook. First we will move on Excel workbook and then you will follow my video and you will got A+ grade. Now moving on Excel workbook, then click on column AB, row 6 and first two columns AB on the insurance claim worksheet will remain static when scrolling. Click on C7, then click on view tab, then click on freeze pane. Simply click on view tab and then click on freeze pane. Here is freeze pane, you can see this. Okay, freeze pane, freeze top row, okay, freeze pane. This is good now. First two column will be freezed. A and B column will be freezed here. Now moving on question number 3. I have done two questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 3. In question number 3, convert the data to a table. Name the table insurance claim and then apply the light green table style light 21. Basically in this question we will convert the data into a table and we will we will take a name of table insurance claim and then apply the light green table style light 21. Okay, first we convert the data to a table. Moving on Excel workbook, click on insert tab, then click on table and then press OK. All data will be converted into a table, then press OK. You can see this. I am doing this assignment very slow because you will understand very well. Okay, if you do not able to do your assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this assignment for you with A plus grade. Okay, and data convert to a table and then name the table insurance claim. You can copy this name and then we will move on Excel workbook and then we will change the name of table to insurance claim. We will name of insurance claim. You can see this here is table name. You can change here insurance claim. You can copy or paste it. You can type here. Okay, insurance claim, then press enter. Table name will be changed to insurance claim. And then the apply the light green table style 21. Then we will move then we will click on table design and then we will select table design and apply the light green table style light 21. Our table style will be light green style 21. You can select this. Here is table design and you can see all table design. Click we will select light green 21 is here. Light green 21. Here is light green 21. You can see this is light green table style 21. Okay, this is good. Now you will apply this style. Click, then press OK. Left click on this and then it will be apply light green table style 21. You will follow my video and you will do this assignment. To see my video you will got A plus grade. If you do not able to do your assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will be done your assignment very well. Okay, I will be available 24 hours and I will give you very reasonable price and with A plus grades. It's my guarantee. I am handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage and Blackboard and many more colleges and universities and schools. Please contact me for your assignment help, exam help or quizzes or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. Okay, question number 4 is that remove duplicates record. Simply click on remove duplicates. Click on first we will click on table design, then click on remove duplicates is here. You can see remove duplicates under the summarize with pivot table. Remove duplicates is here. Okay, then click on this, then press OK. Click on OK. You can see I am doing this assignment very slow because you will understand 3 duplicate value found and removed. 206 unique values remain, then press OK. It's mean all duplicates records that's found are removed. Here is 3 duplicates values was found and all will be deleted. Okay, you can see this. Scroll down, you can see this. Now moving on question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. In question number 5, add a new column to the table named duration. Basically in this question we will have to add a new column in this table and then column name will be duration. You can copy this name duration and then we will move on Excel workbook and we will add a new column. Okay, new column and then click on cell K6 duration. You can copy or you can type and then paste here or you can type here duration in column K6 duration, then press enter. Okay, new column will be added in this table. You can see this. This is done now. Now moving on question number 6. I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. Now we will move on question number 6. In this question, create a formula using unqualified structure references to calculate the days required to resolve the indent date resolved, subtract from date created and apply general number format. Okay, basically in this question we will have to create a new formula using unqualified structure references to calculate the days required to solve. Okay, formula is that dates resolved, subtract from date created, and then we will apply general number format on this column. Okay, create a formula using unqualified structure. Moving on Excel workbook, and then we will enter a formula in cell K7 in new column duration, and we will enter a formula K7. First we will enter is equal to and then date resolved, subtract from date created. You can enter this formula date resolved, subtract from, enter, subtract from date created in C6. Okay, then press enter. It will be show all duration in duration column, then press enter. You can see this formula, this is given in the question. You can read this question carefully and you will apply this formula on Excel workbook, and then you will find duration in duration column. You can see this all durations in duration column 36, 18, 17, 17. Okay, it will be shown all duration in duration column. And then apply journal number format. Okay, you can select this column and then go to the home tab and then click on number group, and you can select journal number format on this column. You can select this column and simply you can select this column and then simply go to the home tab and then go to the number group and you can select journal number format. Here is counting number format. Now moving on next question, question number 7. I have done 6 questions of this assignment right now. Question number 7 is that add a total row to display the average days required to complete a claim. Basically in this question we will add a total row to display the average date required to complete a claims. Okay, add a total row, click on simply click on page layout, simply click on table design and then add total row is here. You can see this under header row, total row will be shown in here. Click on table design and then simply click on total row will be added here. You can see this. Okay, scroll down, okay, total row will be added here. Every day is required to complete a claim. You can see this is done now. Here is formula subtotal 109 durations. Right click on this and you can see this durations 14.83. okay, average, we will find average is here. Okay, right click on this and then click on average, and you will see average on durations. Okay, moving on question number 8. Sort the table by insurance agent in alphabetic orders. Add a second level to sort by description, and then create a custom sort order as a follower: natural disaster, flood, fire, theft, accident. Add a third level to sort by duration, smallest to largest. Basically, in this question, we will sort the table. Okay, sort the table by insurance agent in alphabetical order. Then we will add a second level in this sort by description, and then we create a custom sort order as a following. Okay, then we will create a custom sort order by following list: natural disasters, okay, flood, fire, theft, accident, and then the third level to sort by duration, smallest to largest. Okay, sort the table by insurance agent in alphabetical order. Click on insurance agent column and then go to the sort, find and sort, go to the home tab and click on sort and filter. First we will simply click on home tab and then go to the sort and filter. Then we will, first level is that insurance agent, okay, alphabetical order, and then the add a second level to sort by description, and then create a custom sort order as following list. You can copy this list, and then we will add a second level as name as description. Add a second level name as description. Okay, here is description, and then create a custom sort order as following: natural disasters, flood, fire, and theft, accident. You can copy this list, and then we will create a custom sort order following. Click on this custom list, then you can paste list is here. You can copy this list. Natural sort of listing entire is here. You can type here natural disaster. Okay, second is flood, fire, DISDA, disaster, DISASD, natural disaster, and then is flood, FLOOD, flood. Then third is fire, F capital and fire. Okay, and fourth is theft, T capital. And fifth is that accident, CIDENT. Sixth is that accident. Okay, then we will add a third level. Okay, you can see this table will be sorted, and add a third level to sort by duration, smallest to largest. You will add third level easily. Okay, total question of this assignment is 14. I have done 80% of this assignment. For remaining question you want to do for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. You can see these kids. I have done this course for my one student and he got A+ grade in their courses. You can contact me for your course help. You can contact me for your course deal on my WhatsApp and email. Easily on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck. Thank you so much.